Today is Wednesday, April 8th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And we're about to see a warm-up that will take place for much of the eastern half of the country. There will also be some chances for showers and eventually some thunderstorms as we head toward the weekend. But on the map on this Wednesday morning is a warm front that is pushing through the Midwest already today. There are some scattered showers with that and even a couple of scattered thunderstorms, but nothing terribly heavy. It is windy behind this system where we, at least for right now, have some cool air that's coming in the wake of a cold front. But this cool air will kind of only get to about as far south as the Midwest. And it's really not all that much colder compared to what we just had a few days ago. And then the cold air is going to retreat and it's just going to really warm up toward the weekend. So let's talk about it now. 60 to about 65 from Grand Rapids down to Chicago, more like 55 to 60 from Detroit to Cleveland, just shy, or rather just above 70 over there in Des Moines with some scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm. We'll be around 62 today in Pittsburgh, near 70 in Cincy, just above that in Louisville, 76 in Nashville, and right around 80 in Memphis. So temperatures tomorrow do warm into the 60s, but then they drop down a little bit. Like I said, it's not all that much colder really. We're in the 50s, and then there's the big warm up as we head into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. At the very least, it looks like we're going to be about 70 or better for the end of the weekend and the first few days of next week. And in Chicago, that arrives on Sunday as well. That results in a high near 80 on Sunday and probably hovering around 70 Monday and Tuesday. 55 today in Washington, D.C. with lots of sunshine. As you move into the southeast, it's mostly 60, so that's definitely a cool feel. Right around 70 in Savannah, 80 in Memphis, 76 New Orleans, and 80 in Dallas. So the warm air is over here, and this will build eastbound as we head toward the weekend. We still have some showery weather down the Florida Peninsula. As I was saying a few days ago, it is going to be sort of a showery week, but most of that moving out by the weekend. As we look at the forecast, temperature trend, that is, for Charlotte and much of the southeast, temperatures will warm up here by the weekend, and we're looking at probably low 80s throughout the Carolinas by the time we get to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In Fort Lauderdale, it's mostly cloudy this morning, couple of isolated showers, but those showers increase this afternoon. And we do have a flood watch that's in effect through this evening. There could be another round of some heavier rain around this evening with some poor drainage flooding a good bet. And with the rain showers in the forecast, I don't think we quite make it to 80 until maybe Sunday as the showers begin to diminish, and certainly by early next week. All right, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope that everyone has a great rest of the week, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.